in the blocks. Off they go.
Alright, welcome to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Hang tight. I have the whole race here. The race went down in Jamaica, so thanks to TVJ Sports, I'm going to say it again, thanks to TVJ Sports, we have the whole race. This young lady you're looking at right here is 17-year-old Breeana Williams, and she is representing us well all across the globe. Alright? She has now gone professional and stepped up to senior level. And of course, you have here the one and only Pocket Rocket, our Shellyann Fraiser Price. And I don't know if you know it, but Shellyann Fraiser Price recently took some time off from track and field to have her child. And now she is a mommy. And now it seems like she is back. Not seems like, she is back in top form. She was that it person in the 100 sprints, and she's coming back for her spot, it seems. And of course, you have the reigning champion of the world, which is Miss Elain Thompson, and she is also in this race. This woman right here is the woman to beat. She's the woman that took the title from Shellyann Fraiser Price. And all three of them are in this race. I call it Black Girl Magic. But bigger than that, I call it Jamaican Girl Magic. Bigger than that is a Caribbean thing, but it's still Jamaican Girl Magic. Watch the race and then I'll talk to you about it. Now, the magic that happened in this race is, check it. The time that was ran in the race, 10:73. Fastest time in the world to that point. And remember, this race was ran in Jamaica. A lot of people probably didn't even know, because I hadn't known. Somebody sent it to me, and I used to run track and field, right? But being so busy with life and all, you forget, oh, this is going on, the trials. What are they trying out for? What is this trials about? They're trying out for the Tokyo, Japan 2020 Olympics. That is where the Olympics is going to be next. It's going to be 2020 in Tokyo, Japan, and it's going to start Friday, July 24th, and it's going to end Sunday, August 9th. But in order to make the team to represent your country, the best of the best have to meet up from each country on the track in their country and fight for that spot on the team to represent us globally. This is that race. And in that race, you know how amazing and powerful this is? You have a 17-year-old, and here she is. So many things happened in this race. So the one of the biggest things that happened in this race is that the fastest time in the world for the 100-meter women's was ran in this race on Jamaican soil. It's like we bring the best out of each other. I'm thinking we have the fastest woman in the world, and the second fastest woman in the world, and the third fastest woman in the world standing right here. So Elain Thompson ran the fastest in the world, tied with Shellyann Fraiser Price. And remember, Shellyann is coming back from just having her baby and going back through rigorous training, getting back on that bicycle and getting back out there in front of the world again. Breeana Williams, in this one race right here, also did a sub 11 and set a record. It is the national junior record, fastest ever. All in this one race. We had all this magic. Alright, so at this point, I'm gonna shut up and just let you listen and watch.
Natalia White comes in with 11.20.
Many times champs winner for St. Diego. Went to Auburn University, North Florida Atlantic University. Trains also with Henry Roll. So Coach Henry Roll with two in this final. Natalia White.
Saloni Calvert-Powell in 1. Simone Facey in 2. Breeana Williams in 3. Elain Thompson in 4. Shellyann Fraiser Price in 5. Janelle Smith in 6. Natasha Morrison in 7. And Natalia White in 8. Here's Spencer Darlington.
This one promises to be an absolute cracker. The women's 100 meters final for seniors. This is a stacked lineup by any stretch of imagination. High class, high quality. Expected to deliver the goods. great anticipation around the National Stadium. Settled nicely in the blocks. Off they go. Fraiser Price got a great start. Thompson, Williams and company have begun their bout of chasing. Shellyann, Fraiser Price on top. Elain Thompson comes forward. Elain Thompson gets there by the flare of a nostril. 10.77 seconds. A season best. 700th of a second outside the national record. She holds jointly with Fraiser Price, who had to settle for the runner-up spot. An imperious performance by Elain Thompson.
Well, we asked for it, but we do not yet know the time. The wind is legal, is positive 0.6. Those two gladiators, 10:73, the fastest time in the world, Elain Thompson. 10:73 for Shellyann Fraiser Price, the fastest time in the world this year. And in third place, she held on, Breeana Williams, 10:94. She has broken 11 seconds. What an amazing race.
Alright, so there you have it. Breeana Williams at 17 years old. She makes it, qualified to go to the Olympics in 2020. Shellyann Fraiser Price back in top form. And she is running alongside the reigning champ at the moment, which is Elain Thompson. And guess what? I've heard that Shellyann Fraiser Price actually beat Elain Thompson after this overseas at another race. But that's not what we're here to talk about in this video. I'll follow up later on. So shout out to these three women. They are going to be representing us in the upcoming Olympics in 2020. And we look forward to seeing them shine. Alright? Big up on yourself, Jamaica. Little but to Talawa. I'm out.